Hey everyone, it's Ben from Snap Shades and you're watching installation video G1, which is a rear windscreen shade in 2 pieces. In your order, you'll get the upper and lower rear windscreen shade, 5 sunroof clips and a storage bag. Step 1 is to unfold the shade outside of the car so it has room to expand, and there will be 2 different sizes. The larger one is the bottom of the 2 and the smaller one goes at the upper part of the rear windscreen. Next, we need to attach the sunroof clips, and we're going to start with the lower of the 2 shades. This is the larger one. We need 1 clip on each of the shorter sides of the shade, and this just rotates on really easily like that. Ensure all sunroof clips have the flat face on the same side of the shade. Ensure the sunroof clips are positioned as shown on these shades. Step 2 is to insert the lower of the 2 shades. Slide it all the way down to the base of the glass, and make sure that the clips tuck in securely. Step 3 is to install the upper of the 2 shades. This is easiest done with the back edge tucking in first, followed by the front edge, and then the 2 sides. And your installation is complete.